Hi there, this is Nikita and on the desk today is a McCulloch CS450Elite, and this was a bargain, and this is an unboxing video, so there's one task to do and that's to unbox it. So let's get started. So this will be jump cutted when needed because this box is a little bit difficult to open, but we'll try, we'll manage, we'll muddle through. Right. The lid is released, hopefully at least. Yes, it is properly released, and I'll have to reposition this stuff at least a little bit because, well, as you can see, we've got a double-lidded box. What you get in the box is a very thick manual, yes, multilingual most likely, and we'll have to read this properly. You get something I put in there, the receipt, another manual that's unfortunately looking a bit tattered. This is the one in Dutch, at least including Dutch. You get the chainsaw bar, you get the chainsaw bar protector, and this box has been really manhandled, unfortunately, so we have to check the saw properly. But let's take a quick peek inside of this. Hopefully, will it? Let me, yeah, there it is. A proper McCulloch, well, chainsaw bar in the size 18 inches, 0.325 chain, well, pitch, and 0.050 gauge. Right, it's hefty, it's a solid thing, it has a, well, a sprocket nose, and it looks magnificent. So what else is in here? Ah yes, of course, a chain. This is the H30 proper chain, most likely, hopefully, for this chainsaw. That's nice. Another leaflet, universal something. Just a little bit of an advertisement thing for McCulloch. And then we need to release the machine itself from the box, which will be a big hassle because it's in there properly. And I'll remove this like that and see if I can lift it out completely, and I think I can't. Now I can. Oh my. Here it is. My new wonderful Husqvarna produced chainsaw, and unfortunately all that manhandling of the box has left a scratch in the top cover plastic. Is the rest of the machine proper and good? It looks like it. Yes, it is. Technical specifications, page 29. Right, okay. The CS450Elite. It is 45.7 cc's, 9,000 RPM max. Yeah, weight 5.3 kilos, without bar or chain and empty tanks. So yeah, it is a proper heavy machine. What else? What would you find interesting? Chain speed at max power, meters per second, 17.3. Well, yeah, but most of the time they are rated at 133% of engine power. So, we've got the sword protector, or at least the bar protector. We've got a nice chain, which is a semi-chisel if I remember correctly. We've got the bar itself, 18 inches of bar, and of course the operator's manual. Now, and a little leaflet. This is what you get in the box. And of course, not to forget, on the bottom there is the universal tool included with this thing. So let's see if we can detach that. Right, it goes like that and then comes out like that. So there you have it. Yes, this is the entire video, just taking a look at this wonderful, quote-unquote, little chainsaw, which includes the spider to my surprise, but I am quite happy with this purchase, and I hope you found this video interesting. So, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.